Welcome! Today we're going to teach you how to use our new simplified mailing process. So once you've logged in, go down to Mailing Products and select Postcards with Simplified Mailing. Once you're here, go ahead and select the paper you'd like, the size you would like, and also the turnaround you would like. Roughly enter the amount of items in your CSV list. This doesn't need to be exact if you don't know, because it will all be calculated once you upload your list. Then select if you would like standard or first class mail. Then proceed to browse online designs. We're going to choose to customize just any random postcard here today. You can upload your own or customize any of these that are available. I'm not going to go into how to edit that in the online editor. That is in another tutorial. But once you're satisfied and everything looks good, go ahead and save. Give this a unique name so it's saved into your products, your projects. And then click Review and Buy in the top right corner. After you have carefully reviewed everything, click Purchase. Once you get to this window, be sure to select that you have proofed your document, double check all your numbers, and then make sure that this box is selected to upload your variable data. Put in a rough number of what you think you have, and select Next. Now you have the option to use a database that you have already or to add upload a new one. Name your file. And then choose the CSV list that you would like to upload. And whether the data list contains a header row or not. The first row that some kind defines what is in each column. And select the list you would like to use. Now this row shows everything that's in your data list, and you're going to assign it a field. So this is very important to get the mailing to happen correctly. So if we have a first name and a last name, we can exclude the combined version. And then we also want to be sure we get an address to, in case there are apartments, and then city, state, and zip code. Then you can click Continue. And once you're here, just go ahead and proceed to check out like normal. This costs includes your mailing, your postage, and your printing. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, info@myprintexpress.com.